Cindy the Scrapologist. I'm so excited to be here with you today. I'm finally making my big shop announcement. I know I have been alluding to this for the past several videos because this project literally has been months in the making, probably 4 months, maybe even more, as I designed and made a whole bunch of prototypes and searched for the perfect antiques and fabrics and made ephemera for you. Um, so I'm finally ready to make my announcement, and I'm excited to tell you that in my shop I am going to start having an ephemera subscription box. Now, this isn't going to be a traditional subscription box to start, in the sense that you'll be able to buy more than 1 month's worth. You can't really subscribe at this point, but it's going to eventually reach that point where you can buy some in advance to save money. It's going to develop into that. But right now, I only made 10 of this particular subscription box. And like I said, eventually I'll be rolling them out pretty regularly, and you'll be able to order them ahead of time and save money on each box. So this one here is a pre-order. I haven't made all the boxes yet. These are very time consuming, so I'm hoping that I will have 10 made by mid-December. Everything else is made but the boxes. It is available for order, for pre-order now. And so every few months I will be coming out with a new design and a new theme. I already have the next 4 or 5 in mind. And this one I'm calling the Journaler's Antique Treasure Box. And you can probably see why I'm calling it that. It looks like a little treasure box. And I'm always just so inspired when I search through antique stores. I live in New England, so and I'm going through old farmhouses and attics, and I'm so happy when I find a treasure, because now it's going to live on in either my life or someone else's life. It's going to live on instead of just being stuffed away and unloved somewhere. And this box is just full of treasures that I hope are going to inspire you, to help you discover the artist in yourself, and to have it feel like a surprise and a great adventure when you open it. So just like these antiques are now living on, you'll be able to repurpose them into legacy memories for your loved ones, so that your handmade treasures that you have crafted, whether it's junk journaling, glue books, scrapbooks, or any other kind of art, so that your handmade items can live on in your family. This box is loaded with items. All are either antiques from the 1800s to early 1900s that I purposely curated for this particular box, the Journaler's Antique Treasure Box, or they're handmade by me. There are no scraps or items from my studio that I don't want that I stuffed in here as a little packet. Everything in here is one of a kind. They're beautiful and unique items. So I want this to be a surprise when you receive it. I don't want to show you everything in here. I am going to open it up and show you a little bit, but I did a montage at the beginning of this video that shows you a few of the items that are in the box, as well as all of the work and the love that I put into making some of these items. So let me open it up. The box is made out of chipboard. It is covered with a scrapbook paper called haberdashery. Not every box is going to look different. I don't have 10 sheets of this specific sheet of paper, but it all sort of looks like this. Very vintage looking. It's craft paper, so every box will be different. Please know that, but it will be a theme. It'll be themed like this, and it is closed with genuine leather hinges that will last forever. And when you open it up, this is designed to be an ephemera holder. So when you use up everything in here, how pretty would this be on your desk, just to store all of your favorite items in. So the box is also a gift to you. It's meant to last too. You can use the box as well as the ephemera inside. So this is a piece of handmade tissue paper made by me. The tissue paper kits are available in my shop. And when you open it up, you see there are two sections. There's the top here comes out, and then there's a really large space down here for other items. And the top here has three sections so that you can put your little teeny weeny items in here and some larger items here, and then your real bigger items down here. The box is 9 3/4 by 6 1/2, I think. So you can fit 8 by 6 items in here, which is what a lot of us use for junk journals. And I'm just going to show you a few things in here. I'm not going to give away too much, but the first thing that you will notice is this paper. This is so gorgeous. This is handmade paper from Florence, Italy. And it's just, oh, I wish you could feel it. It's just, this paper is to die for. You will also find in the box handmade Japanese mulberry paper. There are actual mulberry leaves infused throughout the paper. And then you have just tons of goodies. I'm not going to tell you what's in here, but every little package has goodies inside. All kinds of things in here. Here's a little packet of antiques for you, some piano roll paper. And then over here are some tiny items. This washi tape I fell in love with when I saw it. It is Vincent van Gogh themed. 3 different Vincent van Gogh paintings on beautiful blue washi tape. You get 3 little rolls. Some items made by my mother. So adorable. Some little thread and a little tiny matchbox with some wax seals inside. Here we have some antique fabrics, and then you can just pull this out, and inside is handmade items with antiques, an entire packet full of antiques, an entire handmade envelope just stuffed with treasures, some handmade paper, and some vintage fabric in the bottom. So you get a ton of stuff, all beautiful, beautiful items. And let me just try to knot this back up and put it back together. You don't really need this ribbon, but I thought it just added a little pretty element to it. And there we have it, our journaler's antique treasure box. I hope that this inspires you to create something that touches your heart, that can be passed on to someone you love. I'm inspired by all of you in the crafting community, so I really wanted to make you something from my heart, something that's very special to me. This box is mine. I'm keeping one for myself, and I hope you will all love it. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.